When solving a quadratic equation by the quadratic formula, you must of course know the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals the opposite of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. The a, the b, and the c come from the coefficients of x squared, x, and the constant. So in this case, my a, the coefficient of x squared, is 16. My b, the coefficient of x, is 8. And c, the constant, is negative 3. When plugging these values into the quadratic equation, I would get x equals negative 8 plus and minus square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 16 times negative 3 all over 2 times 16. At this point, I'm going to simplify first what's underneath the radical and my denominator. I have x equals negative 8 plus or minus square root. 8 squared is 64, and negative 4 times 16 times negative 3 is positive 192. This is all over 2 times 16, which is 32. Simplifying more, I have x equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 256, all over 32. I can continue by taking the square root of 256. It happens to be a perfect square. The square root of 256 is 16. So I have negative 8 plus or minus 16 over 32. I'm going to break this up into two different equations so I can solve them separately. This means I have x equals negative 8 plus 16 all over 32. Or my solution could be x equals negative 8 minus 16 all over 32. To finish solving, x equals negative 8 plus 16 is positive 8 over 32, and 8 over 32 simplifies to 1/4. My other equation, I have x equals negative 8 minus 16 is negative 24 over 32. Negative 24 over 32 simplifies to negative 3/4.